Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be opening up the February Ipsy. This is a card for that. So what I've noticed is that now they put the products on the card, unlike before. So if in case you don't have the app, you can just look over here and it tells you what you're getting and how to use it and stuff. So that's really good because sometimes people have problems with the app and stuff. So I think this month's theme was Swoon So Hard because it was Valentine's Day and stuff. So I decided to do something pink on my eye. And it says, starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples: hair, makeup, skincare, etc. And then I like it because it's only 3. So on top of the 10, you'll pay extra 3 just to add on an item. Sometimes it's going to be like full size and sometimes it's tiny. They're still getting like an item for only $3, and they have like 30 plus products you can choose from. This month I didn't add anything, but if you saw my video last month, I added a few things, and you obviously get free shipping on those because it comes in the bag and the Ipsy packaging. Right here are all the items I got. I'll read a little bit from this as I go, but this month's bag I like. There's one thing I don't like at all. You guys probably know what I fucking hate. But here's the inside of the bag. It's pink and the outside is pink. I'm not like too girly when it comes to like bags and stuff, so I don't really like care for this, but it's still cute. Like I can put like lipsticks on it and stuff. So the first item, which is like the biggest one in here, is from Marc Anthony True Professional, and it is a hair mask, which I needed. And it's like a conditioner, so it just conditions your hair. See how it smells. Oh, it smells really good actually. I'll probably just use this the next time I'm washing my hair. Here are the directions for this. Let me know if you've tried this and like how big the actual product is, because this is pretty big for Ipsy. Like it's almost as big as my face. Let's see. Sorry, I'm kind of like sitting very awkwardly. This was the first item, and on here, I don't know, like they're printing it out because everybody gets their customized items. So I guess like they print out different things like you're getting, and like they send you like a customized little card. Pretty sure no one got like the same exact bag as me, because you know they have like around 100 products they're giving, plus my preferences are different from others. But here it says, this will help with brittle hair and give it moisture, and this mask is infused with caffeine and ginseng. This nourishing mask strengthens and improves the elasticity of your strands, so it can better withstand any style you go for. And I've never read that about a hair product, but you know my hair is pretty messed up, so I'm gonna try to use that. Let's dip in for the next item. This one's really cute because it's super duper tiny. It is mascara, and I haven't opened it up yet, so I'll just open it right now. It says, give your lashes a lift with a shot of caffeine and a double dose of fibers for instant volume, curl, and definition. And it says, squeeze me to coat brush. So when you, oh, that's interesting. Now I know what this does. So you basically squeeze it, and like I barely see any product in here, but when you squeeze it, like the brush will get coated with mascara. And this is from Eyeko. Let's open this up. Good thing I read that. Whoa, so it barely has anything in here right now, so I guess I have to squeeze it more. The shape is kind of unique on this. I'll see how this one works because I've seen full sizes of these, and I'm not sure how much those are, but I always appreciate mascara samples. So I guess I can get a few uses out of this because it looks like there's nothing there, but you have to squeeze for it to have product on the mascara, which is, I don't know. I wasn't gonna do that, so I was gonna be like, there's nothing in here. And for this, it says, if you want an extra fan out effect, swipe mascara from root to tip, hold the wand in a curled position for 30 seconds and let go. Just in case if you want like a look like that. It says this is infused with caffeine. It's funny. Let's see if it smells like actual mascara. Yep, it does. Ooh. And this is from Eyeko, and it's called a Lash Alert Mascara. Not sure how many different kinds they have. Next item is this brush from Ipsy Organics, and it's a double-sided one. Let's see. It's gold and black. The bristles are really soft on this. One side is like kind of like a cut crease, and then one side is like a blender brush. Let's see what the tip says. Use the blender side to blend the shadow into your eye crease, the flat end to smudge shadow onto your lower lash line, and the flat end to clean up your brows with concealer. Or I usually don't do that. I'll just use it to pack on concealer on my lid. But I do like brushes because they're always going to be full size from Ipsy. And I've gotten like some of my holy grail brushes from Ipsy. So I appreciate them sending me a brush. Next item. I hate this so much. I don't know why they continue to send me liner, because it's not on my preferences. I hate wearing liner. It always bruises my eyes because it takes me like 10 times to get it like perfect. This one is from Doucce, and it's a fierce and fine graphic pen. It is actually a liquid liner, which every time I get liquid into my eyes, so I'm not gonna even attempt to use this. I'm just gonna give it to my buddy Kayla. She loves liner and she's very good at it. For this, you can do like, it says you can create a killer cat eye. Start lining at the inner corner of your eye, thickening your line as you reach the outer corner, then sharply wing it up and out. Yeah, like that's gonna help me do that. But I don't want to even open this because I'm gonna give it away. There's this Ipsy feature that's kind of hidden and not a lot of people know about it, but I've heard about it from like Ipsy and BoxCharm groups on Facebook. With that, you can actually email them and tell them 2 things that you never want to see. So even if your preferences are off or on, like, because eyeliner is off for me, but they still sent it. So you basically can tell them that you don't want to receive certain 2 items. You can't do more than 2, and they won't ever send it to you. So hopefully that's true, because I just emailed them and said I don't want any nail polish and I don't want eyeliner. So hopefully they listen to me. Well, they replied and said okay and stuff. Ooh, next item. I think this is probably like my favorite item in here, just because this is like a cute little concealer. It's my color. It's from Kokie Cosmetics, and it's the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer in medium beige. I've never tried anything from them, but I know like this is a good brand and stuff. I really like the wand. It's not too tiny, not too big. I'm gonna swatch a little bit on the back of my hand. So they're gonna give out either medium beige or like light something, but this will work perfect because this is the color I usually use in other companies. And that was it for this month's bag. I like everything except for the eyeliner. I'll definitely be trying everything, and if I really like something, I'll let you know. I'll update you guys in future videos if I'm like still using it, in case I do a tutorial, which I never do. But let me know if you try these items. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy. This is mine, just in case you want to like see the card. So I'm pretty excited if they're gonna start doing these cards. It's a pretty cute card. It has like little blush and eyeshadow on it. Yeah, if you didn't know about the add-ons and stuff, it's on this. So next time you want to add something from companies like Huda Beauty, Sunday Riley, and Smashbox, you'll be able to do that. What else? Oh yeah, if you guys have any suggestions for more video ideas, let me know. I do have a few ideas that I'm gonna be attempting soon, and hopefully they go my way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.